Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer stacks from Webull to Robinhood. So, by the way, before you begin, you have to make sure that the eligible assets from your outside brokerage account can be transferred into Robinhood through the automated customer account transfer services, and they will support full and partial account transfers of eligible securities, and they will reimburse the transfer fee for your other brokerage may charge up to $75 for transfers or $7,500 or more per account type and brokerage firm. Okay, so the first thing that you will have to do is open your Robinhood and make sure that you've already logged into your account, and then go ahead and click transfers, and then you will click transfer account. Then again, you will have to select ACATS, which is Automated Customer Account Transfer Service. And then after that, you will just have to choose Webull as your current broker. Then you will enter your Webull account details and select stocks to transfer, and confirm and submit your transfer, and wait about 3 to 5 business days for the stocks to appear in Robinhood. And that's it. Your stocks will appear in Robinhood soon. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.